and the doctor only speaks in Cantonese, how would you tell the doctor about your symptoms and the feelings you're experiencing? In this lesson, we will learn how to communicate with the doctor in Cantonese. You may pause each of the symptoms and write down on a paper for your future reference. 唔舒服 not feeling well. 唔舒服唔舒服唔舒服發燒 fever 發燒發燒發燒喉嚨痛 sore throat 喉嚨痛喉嚨痛喉嚨痛鼻塞 nose block 鼻塞鼻塞鼻塞流鼻水 runny nose 流鼻水流鼻水流鼻水咳 cough 咳咳咳痰 phlegm 痰痰痰頭痛 headache 頭痛頭痛頭痛肚痛 stomach pain 肚痛肚痛肚痛痛 means pain. If you want to say hand pain, you say 手痛手痛 If you want to say leg pain, 腳痛腳痛眼痕 itchy eye 眼痕眼痕